What is going on, everybody? Happy Thursday. Happy Synthetic Friday. This is our last trading day of the week, of the month, of the quarter. And we've got a very special episode of Benzinga Powerball for you. This is your rapid fire show. That's right. Rapid fire, in and out, hard hitting. We start you off with a disaster of the day. We move to a wild winner. We have a hot pick every single day. I promise you, it is not easy to come up with a hot pick every single day, but we do it. And last but not least, we give you a workout of the day. Take care of your body, just like we're taking care of your wallet. Look at AB's
baby.
Been following them. Looking better.
I got some work.
Not there.
Got some work to do. Not there yet.
Mm-hmm.
Portfolio's not there either, Luke. So let's get to our disaster of the day.
All right. This is going to be a clippable one, AB. Disaster of the day. AMC Entertainment, ticker AMC, Alpha Mike Charlie, down 15% today on a $250 million offering that the company did. The reason why stocks decrease in price when offerings get announced is that when AMC went out and raised this $250 million, what did they do? They sold more shares of the company, right? So if you owned 1% of AMC and they created 50% more shares, instead of owning 1%, you would now own 0.75%. When we're talking about a company that has a market cap that's around 1.1 billion, and they go out and they create $250 million more shares, everybody's slice of ownership gets a little bit smaller. In this case, pretty materially smaller. And for that reason, AMC is down 15%. The story doesn't stop. We've seen this before from AMC. I want to believe. We love the ape community. We are all about retail, but it kills me, some of these things that AMC has done to shareholders. And for that reason, AMC is, in fact, our disaster of the day.
Yeah, two words you never want to hear as, and if you're an investor in a company, is dilution and a reverse split. So AMC, again, getting hit on this, down to $3.68. But like you said, Luke, the story's not over here. We've seen this stock get beaten up before, and it always seems to find its way back. Let's keep things ticking. We've got our disaster of the day. That is AMC. Let's move on to our wild winner.
All right. Our wild winner on this fine Thursday is a company called BioDexa. It's a stock that many of you may not have heard of before. The ticker is BRDX. That's Bravo Romeo Delta X-ray. Small cap stock. Again, a name that I'm guessing most of our listeners aren't familiar with. Chose this one for our wild winner today. Because not only is the stock price up, and I think the stock price may have more room to run. I'll warn, I'm not in it right now. But the company's actually doing good as well. BioDexa came out with data today on a trial that they were doing. The data suggested an increase in life expectancy against aggressive brain cancer. All right. Increase in life expectancy against aggressive brain cancer. At the very least, let's give BioDexa a round of applause for doing this work in working to build a better world for all of us. And I don't know why we're laughing about that. Okay. And if you are a shareholder, congratulations. You're up a fine 75% today.
Well, yeah, if you got it. I mean, looking at this chart on the 5-year chart, looks like the reverse split that I just mentioned. This one's gone through a few. So you're looking at a $3 million stock here, $4 million now, maybe a little bit higher after today's price action. Again, trading up around 70% on that positive news. Ticker BDRX, BioDexa Pharma.
All right. This is going to be another good one to clip, AT. We are moving into everybody's favorite segment of your daily Benzinga Powerball. This is the hot pick. Okay. Our call today is a company called Instacart, one you may have heard of. Ticker CART. That's Charlie Alpha Romeo Tango. Instacart had a huge debut, a huge IPO recently. The stock has since traded lower, but what is Instacart's price doing now? It is filling that IPO gap. 2 days ago, it looks like Instacart caught some support on the chart. If we get a couple more days where that support holds and the stock goes sideways, you have room to run to $39. Okay. That's a previous high that we put in a couple weeks ago. If you clear that $39 high, you have room to run to $43. That is the high that the stock traded at on its IPO debut day. If you clear that 43, you have room to go higher. All right. So our hot pick today is Instacart. I just walked you through some of the price action setup, but let me talk about the fundamentals as well. When we're looking at the coming year, Instacart has a forward EV to EBITDA. That's a valuation ratio we like. EV, enterprise value, to EBITDA. That's basically profit before you pull out interest expenses, taxes, etc. Is only 10. Far below the S&P 500 average. So we're talking about a growth stock that has been proven to us that it can grow consistently, trading at a valuation ratio that is cheaper than the S&P 500. That ratio suggests about 50% upside in the stock. But wait, it gets better. It's not just EV to EBITDA on the fundamental side. You also have a forward PE ratio that's price to earnings, price of the stock divided by the earnings per share of only 18. That, again, is below the S&P 500 average. So you have room to run there. And so we've got 3 reasons why Instacart is our hot pick of the day. I walked you through the price action. There's a couple points where we could get some runs higher. You have the valuation ratios that are trading below the S&P 500 average. And to top it off, we are talking about a stock that has been growing, has been putting up impressive growth figures. And for that reason, our hot pick of the day is Instacart, ticker CART. Let me know in the chat, in the comments, if you like that one.
Boom, baby. Disaster of the day. That was AMC. And then you got Biodex and Pharma as our wild winner, up about 70% today. Hot pick, Instacart, ticker CART.
And I'll say this too. Every day as we walk through these gainers, these losers, the stories behind these stocks, stocks that we like, stocks that we don't like, our information source is Benzinga Pro. It's a tool we've been working on building here at Benzinga for the last 10 years. I mean, seriously, a labor of love, blood, sweat, and tears, literally. Maybe not the blood part, but close to literally blood, sweat, and tears. So check it out. At the very least, I would love for you to give us some feedback. My email address is aaronbry@benzinga.com. That's AARONBRY @benzinga.com. Send me anything. Send me everything, even if you just want to chat and hop on a quick little video call. I'm available all weekend, so just send me an email with those details. The URL is benzingapro.com. benzingapro.com. It's a 2-week totally free trial. No credit card. We're not going to spam your inbox. Literally no reason not to check it out. And that is the information source for what drives this show every day.
Yeah, and we have a guy who's actually outside the company now doing giving away free Benzinga Pro subscriptions. So if you want that, make sure to email spencerisrael@gmail.com. Again, spencerisrael@gmail.com for a free Benzinga Pro.
Yeah. Good guy. Out of the kind of his heart is likes to help out traders and send them some subscriptions. Again, that's spencerisrael@gmail.com.
Yeah. All right, guys. Let's get to our workout tip, Luke.
All right. Taking care of your wallet, also taking care of your body. Every single day, we are coming to you with a workout of the day. I just hit arms in the gym yesterday. They are feeling tender. They are feeling sore. So I'm going to give you guys an arms workout. What you're going to do, all you need is you need 2 dumbbells. You're going to be looking for about 15-pound dumbbells, okay? 2 dumbbells, 15 pounds. And you're going to do what's called a superset. That's when we do 1 set and a second set right after without any sort of break. So you're going to take your dumbbells and you're going to do a bicep curl, keeping your elbows tight to your body. We're not letting our elbows go forward or backward. We're keeping them tight to the body. And we're doing this bicep curl. We're going to do 15 repetitions of that. And then holding those same dumbbells, no break. We're going to put them over our head just like this. And we are going to dip it down, both arms at once. Dip it down below the head. Let the dumbbell disappear behind your head and go pull it up. And we're going to be doing 10 repetitions of that. So we're going to do the bicep curls for 15 right after, no break, 10 repetitions of the tricep extension. And you are going to do 3 sets. How's that sound, AB?
Boom. Sounds like it'll get my arms nice and jacked before the summer when we're going to be chilling out by the pool. Now's the time to do it, guys. You got a few more months left, 2 more months before it's pool time, but come on, we can still do it.
I think so.
Yeah. And if you need, a little extra help in the gym, let me know. I'm your guy.
All right. Happy trading, everyone. Happy Thursday. Again, benzingapro.com. 2-week free trial. Check it out. And I will see you all on Monday.
Boom. Have a great long weekend, everybody. Happy Easter if you celebrate.